Hello everyone, this is Diksha Chatani and this is my first RTR assignment for Reflectance model. In the first one, I'm using Phong elimination. And here in Phong, we can see that there are three different parameters that can be seen in GUI, which are shininess, specular strength, and diffusion strength. If we change them, we see different results. If we go ahead and decrease diffusion strength, we can see how the diffusion goes away and we can just see the black teapot and there is no green color left. If we increase the diffusion strength, we can see the color getting back and we can see the diffusion is taking place. If we increase and decrease specular strength, we can see the difference in shininess. If we decrease it, we see the teapot is matte, and if we increase it, we see the shininess increases. This is only the strength of the shininess, not the area. And the shininess parameter acts as the increasing the area, which we just saw that we decrease the shininess. We saw the teapot was like a whole giant shiny teapot, and when we increase the shininess parameter, we can see a tiny strip in the teapot, which is the shiny part. Moving on to the next one, we have Toon shader or Toon illumination. This is a non-photorealistic illumination model, and hence why it looks like a very cartoonish teapot rather than realistic one. It uses quantization and it has something called Toon levels. If we go ahead and decrease the Toon levels, we can see just the two levels are left, which is the black and the green. These are the bands of the levels, and on increasing the levels, we can see how the different bands are growing, and we can see the cartoonish shade in the quantization. Moving to the next one, which is my Cook illumination model, because the light is very far away from the model, it looks very dark here, and in order for us to actually see the effects of my different parameters changing, I am going to go ahead and make it a little brighter green for us to actually see when the parameters are going to change. So the two parameters that we're going to work with are roughness and metallic. If we go ahead and increase my roughness, we can see how it was matte. If we decrease the roughness, we can see the shiny part emerging, and this helps in making the model shinier, and actually it helps us in making it more realistic. And in the metallic one, if we increase the metallic properties, we can see how it's not that much of a metallic reflectance. On increasing the property, we can see how it becomes more shiny, and but also shows the metallic effect, which is the shininess becomes the same color of the model itself, which portrays the metallic properties in general. These were my three different reflectance model for the assignment. I thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much.